everybody! Today's video is going to be super slimy because I'm going to test out different kinds of slime. But don't worry, I'm not just going to test them out, I'm also going to show you how to make them. So stay tuned if you want some easy do-it-yourself instructions. First, I'm going to make some sparkle slime with lots of glitter inside. I'm going to start by putting 1 cup of clear craft glue into a bowl and mixing it with pink food coloring. Now I'm going to add the glitter. I'm using both coarse and fine glitter for this step, but you can use any kind of glitter you want. And no need to hold back, use as much as you can. To make the mixture really turn into slime, I'm going to add a small amount of contact lens solution little by little until the mixture becomes nice and firm. And that's how it's done. Wow, so much glitter! How beautiful! The next kind of slime is also going to be really special. Have you ever heard of bubble gack or phloem before? For this type of slime, I'm going to start with 1 cup of clear craft glue again. Then, I'm going to add some purple food coloring and some contact lens solution. I'm not adding as much contact lens solution as last time though, because I want the slime to be a little bit stickier. Now, I'm going to add a lot of little styrofoam beads until the slime is covered in it. Then it's time to knead everything together. All done! Doesn't it look cool? This next kind of slime will be nice and fluffy. I'm going to start with a 1/2 cup of craft glue and mix it with a 1/2 cup of shaving cream. Next, I'm going to add about 8 pumps of liquid hand soap. To make your slime extra fluffy, I recommend using foaming hand soap for this step. This time the slime is going to be a nice light blue color. Ooh! Next, I'm adding in a teaspoon of cornstarch and some body lotion so that the mixture gets even firmer, stretchier, and really turns into slime. I'm also going to add in some contact lens solution. Wow, it feels so fluffy! I could play with it forever! This next type of slime is a little different from the others because instead of being held together with glue, it's held together with a face mask? Yup, you heard me right, a face mask. But make sure that the mask contains polyvinyl alcohol, which is usually found in peel-off ones. First, I'm going to mix 3 tablespoons of the peel-off face mask with 12 tablespoons of water. While you're stirring everything together, alternate between adding a pinch of baking soda and a squirt of contact lens solution until the mixture becomes nice and slimy. And now, your clear slime is ready to go. Peekaboo! Oh my gosh, that was so easy! Get ready for a mountain of colorful slime because I'm about to make a slime avalanche. For the base, I'm going to need some of the clear slime. Since I have some left over from before, I'll start with that. The clear slime has to go into a clear, resealable container. Fill the container up about halfway with it. Next, I'm going to add a few drops of red and orange food coloring to different sections of the slime. Just make sure that there's enough space between the 2 colors. To create a cool avalanche effect, I'm going to fill up the rest of the container with white foam slime. Then seal it up. After you let the slime rest overnight, you'll have a colorful surprise waiting for you the next morning. Wow, doesn't that look pretty? But now, the show must go on. I'm going to try out a butter slime. This type is different than your normal everyday slime, especially because of its consistency. I'm going to start off with Daiso clay, which is softer than normal modeling clay. But To make it even softer, I'm going to add a bunch of hand lotion. Now, the clay mixture can be turned into butter slime by adding in some of the fluffy slime. Whoa, look at its texture! Regular slime would have already started to lose its shape, but the butter slime keeps it for way longer because of the Daiso clay. But wait, the best is yet to come! If you cut the butter slime with a knife, it looks just like real butter! How cool is that? The next kind of slime is going to put you into a wintertime mood because now I'm testing what happens when you put instant snow into the slime. Of course, the first step is to activate the instant snow. So, mix the instant snow powder with a little bit of water until the powder turns into the snow. Now, let's get down to business. All I have to do is dip some of my finished slime into the artificial snow. Then I knead everything together really well. Whoa, its texture is super interesting and feels really cool. The last type of slime I'm going to try today can even be eaten. Don't believe me? Then come see for yourself. To get started, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2/3 cup of water, 1.5 cups of cornstarch, and the food coloring of your choice. I chose a beautiful turquoise color. Mix together the chia seeds, water, and a few drops of food coloring in a bowl. Once everything has been stirred together, transfer the mixture to the refrigerator and let it soak overnight. Now, you should have a really slimy mixture. Mix in the cornstarch until the slime doesn't stick to your hands anymore. Woohoo! This fun alternative slime is ready to go! Don't worry if any of that last type of slime gets into your mouth. It's safe to eat. But the other slimes I showed you today shouldn't be eaten, so be very careful with them. Oops! Maybe I shouldn't have put as much food coloring in the slimes as I did. That's all for today. That was so fun! Look at all of the different kinds of slime I tried out with you. Which one was your favorite? Do you have any other fun slime recipes or ideas? Let me know in the comments. Have fun giving these a try, and I'll see you next time. Bye!